Welcome back to Brand Theory Studio. Today I want to show you how to create a reusable template inside of WordPress just using the standard native Gutenberg blocks. So this is really great if you have blog posts that are very similar and you want the same exact layout every single time. That way you don't have to recreate this from scratch. So this is basically the template that we're going to be creating today. It's really nothing crazy, but there is a layout that I've already done once. I've got some spacers in here. I've got, my images set and ready. We have our headers ready. So if I don't have to recreate it, then why should I, right? So let's go ahead and go through the steps to create this into a reusable template, what they call it patterns inside of WordPress. So the easiest way that I have found to do this is to open up this little preview or document overview, I guess. Has three little horizontal lines. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to group everything together. So you can do this just when you create it for the very first time, but I didn't do that. I just created this and posted it and got it, live and out there. So now I need to go back and make a reusable pattern or template out of this. So we need to start by grouping all of these elements together, and we're going to start at the very top here and choose the three little dots and then choose group. Now we need to take all of these and put them inside of this group so we can create the pattern. So I'm going to just click on everything and drag it up into the group so that, again, it is all together and we can create that pattern. Okay, I have all of my elements inside of this group. If I open it up, you'll see that everything shows up there. And what I want to do from here is choose the three little dots and go down to create pattern. Now it's going to ask you for you to name it, whatever you want it to be called. This is a specific pattern that I want to use for my Canva font series. I'm not going to fill out a category. It's fine. You want to make sure that you do not sync this. So unclick that. This is so you can use the pattern independently for different blog posts, and it's not going to be connected to anything. If it were to be synced, whenever you updated this pattern, it would update across your entire site wherever the pattern is, and we don't want that. We want this to just be a template that we can have a starting point and just swap things out. So I'm going to hit create. And now we have a pattern here. I'm just going to hit update so that this is, good to go. And we're going to come back into the post section. I'm working on a new post, same exact series. And what I'm going to do here now to add in that template is come over to the left side and choose the plus button in blue, and then go over to the patterns, all patterns, and we can see it pop up here. I'm going to click it, and now we have this entire layout ready for us to just swap everything out for the new blog post, topic, whatever you're making your next blog post. But we've got the entire template ready to go, everything perfectly designed and spaced, and so much faster than doing everything from scratch. Now I'm simply going to start clicking and replacing all of this information, clicking on the images, replacing and choosing the images for this new blog post. So now the entire post is done in a fraction of the time because I had the template to work with. some of the things in here, like the explanation of setting fonts for your brand in this particular post, and then also the option of working with us. I didn't even change those out because I'm really just changing out the information that is specific to this post. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, but this is a really easy way to save some time and to have a template to work off of and to keep things consistent with your blog posts and your brand and your business. So let me know if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video.